Today, I'll show you how to add action buttons in Google Slides. Start by opening the presentation where you want to add the button. You'll see your slides in the left sidebar. Now let's create the button shape. Click on Insert in the top menu bar, then select Shape. You'll see categories like rectangles, circles, and arrows. Rectangles with rounded corners work best for buttons, so click on one of those. Then click and drag on your slide to place the shape. You'll see blue handles appear at the corners and edges once the shape is placed. Next, resize the button by dragging those corner handles until it's the size you want. To style it, click the Fill Color button in the toolbar at the top and choose a color that stands out. You can adjust the border color and thickness from the toolbar to make it look more button-like. Now add your button text. Double-click inside the shape and you'll see a text cursor appear. Type your button label, something like Next, Back, Home, or whatever action you want the button to perform. You can change the font size and color using the toolbar options to make the text clear and readable. Now for the link. Click once on the button to select it. Make sure you're clicking the shape itself, not double-clicking, because that puts you back into text editing mode. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue handles around the outside with no text cursor inside. With the button selected, click Insert in the top menu again, then click Link. A dialog box will appear with a text field. If you want to link to another slide in your presentation, click on Slides in this presentation, and you'll see a list of all your slides with thumbnails. Pick the slide you want to link to. If you're linking to an external website, just paste the URL into the text field instead. Once you've chosen your destination, click the Apply button at the bottom right of the dialog. The dialog will close, and your action button is now ready to use. To test your button, click the Present button in the top right corner to start your slideshow. When you get to the slide with your button, click it to make sure it takes you to the right place. If you need the same button on multiple slides, just select it, press Ctrl+C to copy, navigate to another slide, and press Ctrl+V to paste. Thanks for watching.